Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create basic notes in Microsoft OneNote. We will explore some of the commands from the Ribbon tab to edit the notes and assign formats. If you're new to OneNote, this is a great place to start. So let's get to it. I have this small handwritten note that I would like to capture in OneNote before I continue doing it by hand. First, let's add a new page to the notebook. From the Page section, click on the plus sign, then add a title to the page. Let's call it My First Note. Now let's start capturing. To add text, we only need to start typing in the working area of the application. Next playlist will be about OneNote. You can see OneNote create the container. Let's keep adding some more lines to it. Topics to cover. Introduction to OneNote, OneNote on all devices, how to create a basic note, how to create notes with to-do lists, and let's stop here for a moment to make some changes to the format. Let's change the size and the type of the font. If you want to modify the whole content of the container, select the container by clicking on the three dots on the top, then open the font type and you can select one from the options. Let's say Caveat. Now to change the font size, open the size drop-down and select one from the list. Let's say 16. Now, if you want to only modify a portion of the content, then select only the section that you need. For example, let's select only the first two rows. Then assign the bold format from the Ribbon tab. The topics to cover, I want to make them bullet points. Select the next 4 lines and click on the bullet point menu. Here we have different type of bullet markers that we can use. I would use a simple one, the circle. If we go back to the hand note, I have some additional items between the second and the third bullet. Select the end of the second bullet, press enter, and then create an indentation. From the Ribbon tab, click on the Increase Indent position, then type Windows, MacBook, iPhone, and iPad. This indentation creates the relationships between the second bullet and the items listed. Alright, I have the base idea captured. Now let's put some media resources that I would use to create the content, like pictures. Let's go to the Insert tab, then click on the Picture button, and a new window will open to browse the images that you need. I will select my logo, for example, and then click Insert. Now we can edit the picture, make it smaller or bigger, or move it around to the working area. I'll open again the picture browser and select the OneNote logo, and put it below the other logo. We can also create a screen clipping. Click on the button and then select the area that you want to capture. Once you selected, OneNote create another container for the image, and you can see down it adds automatically the date and the time for the reference when the clip was taken. Same to the other image, you can edit and move it around with the container. Down below, we can start a new container to start capturing more ideas for the video. For the introduction, I'm thinking to cover what is OneNote, what you can do with the application, and what are the working elements of the application. These 3 items I consider to be key, so I will mark them as important. Select the 3 rows, and then on the Tags section, open the menu and select Important. You can see now these 3 items are tagged as important. Below the working elements, I will add few other ideas like adding a slide to get rid of paper. We can add a tag like an idea, and then a sub-idea, can I cross this slide like paper? And we can also add a tag for questions. Let me show you now what you can do with tags. Go to the top of the note, then click on the Find Tags, and a new panel called Tag Summary will show. You can see the 3 different types of tags that we have: idea, important, question, and under each category, the items from them. These are links. If you click on them, they will take you to the Notes section where you have the tag. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with OneNote. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.